Okay, got it.
What the fuck?
Are you rolling?
I'm fucking rolling.
Okay. Well, hello everybody. Instead of getting your normal first-person views of Jack commenting on a bike, you're gonna get me, his friend Matthew, comment on my Mirra 5-star bike. Now,
Fuck you.
I don't know anything about this bike, so I'm gonna let Jack. I'm gonna play with these police toys that Jack's likes to play with because he's a child, and we're gonna comment on this beautiful masterpiece.
Don't fuck up my wall.
Okay, so this is a seat, Mirraco bike, some demolition tires, crank. No, that's the crank. Primo crank. Some. How do you pronounce that word? Look for the chain.
That is a chain.
No, yeah, you said it was like the Coolio. Or
Oh, it's a KMC cool chain.
KMC cool chain right here, baby. Some Logo.
Well, go pedals.
Logo pedals.
Okay, you want me to talk?
Some C3PO rims. That's what he told me. C3PO. Okay.
C303 rims.
C3PO. We got some animal grips, RAR. Yeah, look at this bike. This masterpiece. It's only like 10 pounds. Oops. I can do this all day long, except I'm not gonna do it now. Oh, you're still wrong. Yes. Okay.
Okay, let me talk now, because you know nothing about your own bike.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got it from this friend.
You bought it off my friend, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
$10. It's crappy.
No.
I'm kidding. That's good. It's beautiful.
It's a Mirraco 5-star bike with
Mirra.
Mirra
5-star. It's what
frame. Mirra 5-star frame, fork, and bars on this thing. Matt has a premium stem on it. Nice stem. Animal grips. Demolition tires. They're slicks, so smooth and shit.
I hate them.
No, they're good.
Oh yeah, they're good tires, but I personally no idea what tires do with a bike. Like, there's ones with shreds, there's one with little arrows. Like, when your bike got stolen, you followed the tracks of the arrows pointing where it went. You lost the trail.
Okay, so he has C303 rims with stock
C3PO?
hubs, not C3PO rims. No.
Oh, come on, John Willie.
You have a KMC cool chain, and I'm not too sure what these cranks are.
the Primos.
He calls them Primos.
Yeah, I call them Primos because they're silver.
Well, go pedals. I don't know what kind of bash guard that is, but
it's a little upside down D. Like, look at that.
Yeah.
Ooh, D. Or it could be
D.
an A.
And he has a nice sprocket on there. 25.
Yeah, look at that. Look at
Actually,
that sound.
Actually, what kind of tooth is it?
Well, I
Let me see. You have,
Like 5? 10?
I think it's a 25 tooth sprocket. It's very nice.
Yeah, this bike is
Okay.
for sale.
No, it's
Not
actually
kidding,
not.
it's mine. I don't have any
He has
brakes on it.
Matt, come on, be quiet now. Okay.
Okay.
He has a Mirraco seat. And Matt, about his brakes, yeah, he only keeps the pads on his brakes because he's fresh like that. No cables, no levers or
I'm waiting to
anything.
get the cable.
He just rides his levers. He likes to. It's the way he stops. He just squeezes them.
Yeah, while I do a backflip in midair, you know.
Yeah, true.
Just started last week.
True. Word.
I'm kidding.
Word.
Oh wait, yeah, it says right here, C303.
I know it does.
I thought you were looking at some kind of engraved part underneath. I don't know.
No, I don't think so. Okay, Matt's his bike.
Everybody knows how I love my bike, yeah. Oh. Sorry.
He's so dumb.
Ah!
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, everyone subscribe.
Fuck you.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Everyone loves me.
Subscribe.